So as some of you seen, not sure how many of you, some of you saw my 2 videos I posted the other day, zombie rap and freestyle rap. I rap sometimes, not really my thing, but it's fun. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix headphones, as some of you don't know. Okay, so first thing you need to do is when you get your broken headphones, you need to cut the old jack off and find a new jack. The new jack should be an 1/8 inch jack, as this is. What you need to do, take some type of fire, I use a match, and you burn the casing off of both the new jack and the old headphones. And the old headphones, doesn't matter what kind of wire you put, I'm fixing Dre Beats here. Pretty nice headphones, good sound quality. But what you do is you find the 2 goldish wires. The ones that have blue and red go to the side for now. Twist these 2 together. Okay. Then you take the gold wire on the headphone piece and also twist that to the 2 gold wires that you just put on. If I can get it there. Then you take your next set of wire, doesn't matter what wire it is, just match the red to the red, and then you can also match the green to the green, or whatever color you want to say.
Two minutes.
Shut up. Okay, now, my tape. Now, what you do is you can take any sort of electrical tape, doesn't really matter what size it is. What you need to do is just find the end. Come on. Stupid tape.
Use your knife.
Nah. I'll use a knife to cut it. Take a piece off. Cut it with your scissors and or knife. I'm using a knife here, if possible. Oh. Now what you need to do is just take the wires, put them together, put some tape on it, wrap it the first couple times, make it nice and tight. Make sure your wires are twisted together. Don't want any errors during this procedure. Sounds like I'm a doctor. Wrap it over again, and when this wire is right here, still make sure it's twisted on. Nice and tight. Fold the wire up so there's no wire sticking out. Fold this over it. Make sure you're putting a lot of pressure on that wire. Then what you can do is you just do this over again. And again. Not lots of tape left here. Then what you need to do is, you see this point right here? Take a piece of tape, doesn't matter what size. Tear it, if I can. pull it down. Take a piece, put it on the end, pull it tight, pull it down. And then so it's, as you can see, it's like kind of like that. Pull that wire up and just put a bunch of pressure on it. That should be your last thing. So you guys can see that I didn't cheat and do something stupid here. Turn on some music. Out of both headphones, you saw it here.
And you